Hello and a very warm welcome to Stratford upon Avon College and the School of Creative Arts. My name is Kerry Downing.
And I'm Charlotte Onslow Major, and we're so excited to be able to share with you our very first virtual open event.
Creative Arts is split into two areas, Visual Arts and Media and Performing Arts and Music. The Level 3 acting course sits within the Performing Arts and Music area, alongside 10 other courses currently running in that area.
All courses at Stratford upon Avon College form a study programme. Your study programme looks like this. Your core subject is Level 3 acting. You will also do tutorials, work experience, independent learning, we call solar, English and maths if a grade 4 is not achieved at GCSE. Your Level 3 acting qualification is awarded through UAL, the University Arts of London, and will give you an extended diploma in performing and production arts. After 2 years of study, you will hold a qualification equivalent to 3 A-levels.
So what will I study on the Level 3 acting course? Throughout the 2 years, you look at an eclectic range of theatre genres. The start of the course introduces you to the main practitioners, Stanislavski, Brecht and Artaud. You then build skills in these principles to use in your own performance work. You work on 3 live theatre projects a year, covering a range of genres from contemporary to classical and many in between. Each genre requires a new set of skills, improving your range as a performer. Alongside your project classes, you will be involved in skills sessions. These cover fitness, movement, voice and historical context.
In order to complete the qualification successfully, you will need to complete all 12 units across the 2 years. At the end of Year 1 and Year 2, you will receive a pass, merit or distinction grade. Your course is divided into several projects over the 2 years. Year 1. Project 1 is a skills-based project, looking at the work of the grandfathers of modern drama, Stanislavski, Brecht and Artaud. You will develop an online portfolio, researching the background context and themes of the project, whilst learning how to link your research to the rehearsal process. You will rehearse, develop and process the material, reflecting on the work and your skills as they begin to grow. You will perform the project either online or in person, COVID permitting. At the end of the project, you will evaluate your rehearsal process and performance and set yourself goals that will enable your skills to develop.
Project 2 explores ensemble performance using contemporary theatre. The project requires you to research and contextualise the background influences of the project, rehearse and create the material, reflect throughout the process, perform and complete a detailed analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of the project. Alongside Project 1 and 2, you will also study professional practice. You will look at the performing arts industry, consider different career opportunities and be introduced to different organisations that support and offer guidance for actors and performers.
Project 3 is your final project for the year, in which you will achieve either a pass, merit or distinction. This project is a collaborative project, looking at how you work with others and adapt to different genres. As with other projects, you will need to research and contextualise the background elements of the project, but this time, so you create your very own proposal for that project that you want to undertake. You will then rehearse and create the material, reflect throughout the process, perform and submit a final evaluation of your project. This final project is then graded and standardised by the Performing Arts team. The portfolios are moderated by UAL and the grade issued to you on A-level results day. Once you've successfully completed your Year 1, you can then move on to Year 2.
Year 2 has 3 projects in it. 2 are coursework based and the other 2 are performance based. Your Preparing for Progression project looks at your progression and supporting you with your stage school and university applications, preparing you for auditions and looking at employment options for you. Year 2 Project 1 is a performance project in which you immerse yourself in the world of naturalism, looking at the truth behind your character development. This leads to a classical theatre production. You will experience working with technicians, lighting, sound and AV, whilst also looking at costume and set requirements of the piece.
Your specialist subject presentation project develops a particular area of interest that you have within performing arts and helps to prepare you for your final project. You will produce either an essay or a presentation to display your findings. For your final project performance, you're required to submit a proposal outlining your intentions for the project. You'll be given a theme or performance style that is used as a vehicle for your project, working and performing as an ensemble member.
Your final project is then graded and standardised by the Performing Arts team. The portfolios are then moderated by UAL and your grades are issued to you on A-level results day.
Where do I go after college? Students on the Level 3 acting course can audition for the Fat Swan Performance Company here at Stratford upon Avon College. This is a one-year Trinity qualification and is performance focused with support towards auditioning for drama school and university. Other students do go on to drama school, university employment or apprenticeships. In previous years, our students have secured places at the following institutions: Fat Swan, Royal Central School of Speech and Drama, East 15, Manchester Met, Lipper, London South Bank, to name but a few. Other students may leave and work as actors, obtaining agents. We have many students going on to university with the goal of becoming teachers or applied theatre practitioners. Overall, the skills students learn on this qualification are highly transferable, allowing them to diversify into various areas of employment after their training with us.
As an acting student studying at Stratford upon Avon College, there is a strong support network that you can access. Your first port of call for course-related support will be your academic tutor. This will most probably be one of the lecturers on the course, and they are there to support your academic work as you progress through your programme of study. You will also have a learning coach. A learning coach is there to give you pastoral care and support your mental health and well-being. If you have a learning difficulty, had additional support at school or extra time in exams, the college can provide additional learning support, ALS. If you have an EHCP, then we will arrange a meeting with you and a support tutor to assess your needs, which will then be disseminated and implemented by your support team, lecturers and an academic tutor. Other support available to you includes a college counsellor as well as a mental health specialist. Student services can help with various things such as applying for bursaries, course funding and travel costs. There is an open access area where you can go and study to complete independent learning, alongside an English and Maths hub to offer you extra support when required.
What do I need to get on the course? The entry requirements for the course are as follows. For GCSE, grade 4 or above, one must be either English language or maths, but ideally both. You will be required to complete an audition and interview. This year, our audition process is online, and you will be sent guidance on what to produce for this. Your audition will need to be filmed as a self-tape and sent in to our admissions team. We will then arrange for an interview with you to advise you on the best course options for you. If for any reason your audition is not successful, we may offer you a place on our Level 2 programme to allow you to develop the skills you need to complete a Level 3 qualification. Similarly, if you audition successfully but do not achieve the correct combination of GCSE results, we will then offer you a place on our Level 2 Performing Arts course. This additional year can then be used to develop your skills and qualifications ready to audition again the following year for Level 3, or to take an alternative route of training or study. We also offer a Level 1 programme, but this offer would be made specifically in respect to your GCSE profile. Our audition process is a supportive and informative process. We use the process to make an initial assessment on an applicant's ability to ensure that they are suitable for the course and they are placed on the right level of programme.
How can I apply? To apply for the Level 3 acting course, you need to complete an online application form at www.stratford.ac.uk. You will then be sent an invitation to audition. Guidance will be sent with the requirements of this audition. For the Level 3 acting course, you are required to learn 2 monologues that will be provided for you on the audition guidance sheet. We have also provided a range of writers if you would like to select your own pieces. You will need to film and submit your audition material and send it to our admissions team. Following your submission, you will then be given a telephone or online interview where an offer will be made with regards to the course and level. In some instances, we may recall you and ask you to resubmit audition material if required. Following your offer, in June you will be invited to attend a pre-enrolment course at the college. This may be in person or online, but it will give you a flavour of what the course will likely be when you enrol. You will also be able to meet your tutors and fellow students and ask any questions that you might have. The final stage of your application happens once you've received your GCSE results. You will need to contact the college to inform us of your results and whether you would like to formally accept your place on the course starting in September.
What do I do now? Head straight over to www.stratford.ac.uk and apply now. Believe in #selfie.